These 3 legit apps are the fast-paying apps that can earn you over $150 a day, easily and effortlessly. So like this video, and let's start with the first app on our list called the My Free app. The URL will be myfreeapp.io, so don't get confused. The My Free app is a new play-to-earn games app platform, where you can find different apps and games to install and earn money online. As you can see, here you can get paid for playing different games, testing different apps, completing different tasks, and for earning prizes. And the good thing is that you can get paid up to $120 per app or game that you install and complete. And the average time to reach your first reward is only 1 hour, which is really awesome. Not only that, the My Free app offers you a ton of different payment methods like PayPal and different gift cards like Amazon gift cards, Spotify gift cards, Apple gift cards, Google Play gift cards, etc. Another good thing about the My Free app is that here you just need to earn $1 to take your first withdrawal through gift cards. Now to earn money with My Free app, all you need to do is to sign up yourself and log into your account. Once you log in, you will find different apps and game applications there. You just need to select an app you want to install and read the description of that app task that you need to complete to get paid. After that, just install the app to your smartphone and complete the task that was mentioned in the description of that app, and boom, you will be credited with the money in your account, which you can later redeem in different payment methods available here. The only drawback of the My Free app is that it's only available in a few top-tier countries at the moment. So if the My Free app is not available in your country, you can use the second app on our list called the Ipsos I Say website app. Ipsos I Say is an easy-to-use survey app and site, and the good thing is that it is available in more than 70 countries around the world, including India and the United States. So you can be from any country around the world, and you can most probably earn money that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now on Ipsos I Say, you can take online surveys and you can get paid for that. And another good thing about Ipsos I Say is that here you can take withdrawals through many different payment methods like Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, and many other gift cards that are available in your country. And you can even get paid directly to your Visa debit cards. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still take withdrawals directly through the Visa debit cards to your bank account. They also have an app for both Android and iOS devices. You can just install their app on your smartphone and start to make money online. All you have to do to earn money is to sign up to the Ipsos I Say website app using your email and phone number. Once you log in, you just need to complete a simple questionnaire about your profile so that Ipsos can match you with the surveys that you can complete and start earning money. But sometimes it becomes difficult to find a survey or other offers to complete. And for this, you can use the third website app on our list, where you will always find offers, apps, games, or other tasks to complete, no matter where you are from. One of our subscribers from the United States has already earned over $130 from this app. Another subscriber, Sohan from India, has already earned close to $50. Subscriber from Nepal has earned over $30. And there are many subscribers of our channel from different countries around the world who have earned over $150 from this app alone. Now the name of this app is called as freecash.com. You can sign up for the Freecash app for completely free. And once you log into your account, you can find different apps and games offers to install apps and play games to earn money online. You can find different survey offers to answer some simple surveys for some fast cash. And you can find other similar tasks to complete and earn money online. As you can see, I have already earned over $85 in my Freecash account. And if you want me to show my withdrawal proof from Freecash, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video. And comment down below, Freecash withdrawal proof. And I will create a video dedicated to show you my live withdrawal proof from Freecash app. Now because you stayed so far, I would like to introduce the sponsors of this video called the CoinHexa app. The CoinHexa is a play-to-earn games app or P2E games app that helps you to earn money by playing this game. I will leave a link to the CoinHexa app. The icon will show on your smartphone, so just click it and open it. And when you open the CoinHexa Play to earn games app for the first time, it will ask you to enter the invite code. We are credited with the 2 million coins in our account as a sign-up bonus for completely free. Now to earn money playing this game, all you have to do is to press this green play level 1 button to start playing this game. So as you can see, the first level has already started. We have some color hexagons on this field, and most of the field is empty. Then we have some other color hexagons at the bottom of our screen, which we can place in the field above. So to play this game and complete the level of this game, we need to pick these hexagons one by one and place them in the field above. But we need to place the same color of hexagons together so that they can match and combine into one hexagons. So just like this, we need to keep placing the same color hexagons together so that they can match, and we can win this level of the game. As you can see, we completed the first level of this game with 453 coins, but we can get a reward of over 69,000 coins if we click on the claim button right here. So just click on the claim button, watch a simple 10 to 15 second ad, and close it. And boom, we got credited with the rewards coins and our coins directly into our account balance of 2 million coins. And now we just need to click on this next icon over here to start playing the second level of CoinHexa game. So now we are on the second level of this game, and we need to repeat the process of placing the same color hexagons together to match them and combine them into one hexagon. And on the top of our screen, we can see our progress for the current level, that is level 2. So just keep playing this game until you complete your current level in this game. As you can see, we completed the second level of this game also. This time we got 489 coins credited to our account, and we can get a bonus reward coins over 63,000 if we click on the claim button. So just click on it, watch a simple ad, and boom, we again got credited with the bonus credit of 63,000 coins directly into our CoinHexa account balance. So let's just click on this next button again, and let's start playing the third level of the CoinHexa play to earn play-to-earn games app. Now, as the levels of this game will increase, the difficulty of completing these levels will also increase. And to complete those difficult levels, we can use the 2 boosters available for us at the bottom of our screen. Let's start with the first blue booster on the bottom left corner. So just click on it and watch an ad to activate the booster. As you can see, now we have this one booster available. So we will just click on it and it will highlight all the hexagons on the field. And now what we need to do is we need to select any 2 hexagons so that we can exchange their place in the field. So to match this yellow hexagon with another yellow hexagon, I need to select this hexagon and exchange it with this orange hexagon, just like you are seeing on your screen, so that I can place 2 same color hexagons together to progress in this level. Now, we also have this orange booster on the bottom right corner of our screen to use it and complete the level faster. So just click on it, watch a simple ad to activate it, and as you can see, now we have one orange booster also that we can use. So just click on it, and all the color hexagons will be highlighted again. So let's click on this violet hexagon, and it will be completely removed from our field. So the orange booster will help us to remove the hexagon completely from the field. Let me show you this once again. So let's click the orange booster again and watch an ad. As you can see, we again have one orange booster again. So just press it. And to remove this yellow hexagon from the field, we just need to press on it. And you can see that the yellow hexagon was removed completely from the field. So just like this, we can use these boosters to complete the levels faster and make money a little faster. And now to make even more money with the Coin Hexa gaming app, what I want you to do is to click on the pause icon on the top left corner and select the home icon from the pop-up menu showing on your screen. And that's going to take you to the home page of your gaming app. Now to make even more money, you can click on this yellow icon from here. And you can see that if you invite your friends and family to this app, you can multiply your rewards. You can copy your invite code from here by pressing the copy button right here and start sharing it with your friends and family. And whenever someone joins the Coin Hexa app using your invite code, you will get 100,000 coins and they will get 2 million coins credited to their Coin Hexa account, which is just awesome. And how to invite people to this app using your invite code? Well, you can click on the how it works option from there. And you can see that you can either send a message to your friends, says that they can get $10 for free, or you can create a TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram short and long form videos about the Coin Hexa app to teach people how to use this app to make money online and to join them using your invite code. And using this, you can start to earn a passive income online, because every person that joins using your invite code will earn you some amount of money in pure passive income. Not only that, if you come back to the homepage of your Coin Hexa gaming app and you click on this share icon from there, you will be shown TikTok and YouTube. 2 options. Let's say we choose YouTube from there, you will be taken to this page where you can see that if you create a YouTube video, you will get paid 1 million bonus coins to your account for completely free. You just need to keep in mind the conditions written over here. Just like this, if you click on the TikTok option from here, you can see that you will get paid another 1 million coins if you create a TikTok video. The more videos you create, the more money you will earn. Now let me complete some levels of this game so that I can share with you the withdrawal proof from this game. So as you can see, now I have earned over 11 million coins in my account, which I can withdraw by pressing this gift icon on the left. And that's going to show me that 10 million coins are equal to $5. And we can withdraw the same through PayPal, Payeer, USDT, Mono, Binance, and Gcash. You can choose any method you like, but I like PayPal the most, so I will choose the PayPal option from there. And on this page, I just need to enter my email and phone number registered with my PayPal account and press confirm. So let me just enter my details here, and you can see that I will be credited to my PayPal within 5 to 6 days. So let's wait for it. And as you can see, the amount of $5 was sent by the Coin Hexa game partner, the app from there, and start using it to make money online by playing this simple play-to-earn games app. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.